Okay, y'all, so I'm back from the movies. My camera died. Luckily, I brought it back to life. Took me a minute though. But while I was bringing my camera back to life, I started working on a piece. So I'm gonna show y'all what I did. This patch is too fire. I had to get a close-up shot of this bad boy. I'm trying not to mess up the beading because I don't have the right foot to sew on this, but I've been doing a really good job. This is the finished product of the dress. Okay, I'm lying to y'all. I still gotta sew that bottom piece to the top. It's just pinned right now. But y'all, this is so gorgeous. Like, I outdo myself every single time. Y'all, this is just the masterpiece. Is masterpiecing. So I did this super deep hood. It's like really deep, and I actually attached the hood to the straps. So there's a little opening in the back, and basically she can tie her straps up in the back of the hood. But I thought it would just be a fun, cute little detail to have because I didn't want to attach the hood to the actual garment. I wanted the hood to kind of be separate. So if she wanted to, she could take the hood off completely. So the hood is detachable, which I think is a pretty fun knick-knack to have. You just pull the strings through the hood, take them out, boom, it's a halter dress. So super fly. And guys, this bag actually goes perfect with this dress. I almost want to give her this bag, but she ain't getting it. I paid $200 for this bag, baby. But this clutch with this dress would be absolutely stunning. I'm super just excited about how this really turned out for real. It's definitely giving the moments, and yeah. Okay, so I actually forgot to show you guys, but the dress can also be worn by itself.
So let's get into the details. This is J Mulan. We've collaborated on customs twice now. This specific garment was made for her trip to Dubai. I used sheer organza fabric, double layered it at the bottom, went in with beaded trim on the sides. The back of the dress is a halter silhouette. It made her back look very soft, sexy. The draping method was used and the results are stunner.